A 9-year-old boy is on a quest to be a journalist. From the ID card to a microphone, he has it all. And now it's his first time before the camera. More in this report.
Hi, this is Dejan Prendergast reporting for TVJ News.
Well, not yet. But the 9-year-old who wants to be a journalist hopes that's what he'll be saying in years to come. It started with career day at St. Jude's Primary. The youngster, in admirable details, created a makeshift TVJ ID card and a microphone.
So for the ID, I printed my face and wrote some stuff on it so it could be real, and I used cardboard for the mic and some foam, and I printed the TVJ logo on it.
They caught the attention of his classmates.
They asked me if I can put them on TV and what time does the news start.
So you know what time the news starts?
7 o'clock.
He had the chance to meet some of the faces he sees nightly. On Wednesday, Dejan got a tour of the TVJ newsroom and met some of the anchors and reporters.
It was like the first time I met them, and they're really kind.
His mother, who followed him happily, said she did not expect it. She posted a photo on Instagram, and the next thing she knew, TVJ was on the phone.
I was pretty much excited because honestly, I did not think that me posting that pic on that morning, I would have got so much reaction, because persons really was creating a buzz over it to say that, hey, this is so creative, this is different, I love it.
The journey has been just them.
Dejan is a 1 in a million child. He's very smart, as you can see. He's the one that basically keeps me going. I have a lot of proud moments with him. He's doing very good in school and all of that.
Dejan is also seeking to improve in other areas.
I'm not that good at much, but I try.
Now, children's career choices are often limited to their real-world experiences. That's why one therapist believes there must be exposure.
By 7, the personality is formed. And anything that happens after that is either modification of the personality or so. So when they get to that age, whatever it is that they're interested in, we should help them to achieve it.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.